Today I'm reviewing Green and Spiegel, one of the most established immigration law firms specializing in U.S. and Canadian immigration services. From their website interface to the consultation process, I'll walk you through everything based on my personal experience using the platform as a real user. When you first land on their website, the layout is professional but slightly outdated. Navigation is fairly intuitive, with the top menu dividing services between Canada and the US, which makes it easy if you already know which jurisdiction your case falls under. That said, the site does feel dense, with lots of legal text and not much visual relief, which might be overwhelming for users unfamiliar with legal terminology. Booking a consultation is straightforward, although the form asks for a lot of information up front, which may be a barrier for some. The firm claims to offer personalized solutions, and my experience supported that. Within 48 hours of submitting my request, I was contacted by a representative. The communication was prompt and professional. They offer a wide range of services, from temporary work permits and study visas to permanent residency and business immigration. What stands out is their deep legal expertise and focus on compliance, which is a major strength. However, this level of legal detail may not be ideal for someone just starting to explore immigration options casually. Pricing is not clearly listed on the website, which is one of my major criticisms. You won't find upfront costs for consultations or services, so you have to initiate contact to get a quote. This could be frustrating if you're comparing firms. The FAQ section is thorough, but again, it leans heavily on formal legal language. It's helpful for someone already familiar with immigration terms, but may be less accessible to first-time applicants. They do have a blog and news section, which is frequently updated with policy changes and legal insights. It shows they stay current with immigration developments, which is reassuring. During the consultation, I was impressed by their attention to detail. They reviewed my documents, identified a few issues I hadn't noticed, and provided a realistic timeline for the application process. They didn't sugarcoat the complexity, and I appreciated the transparency. On the downside, follow-up communication after the consultation was a bit slow. I had to send a reminder email before receiving my final service proposal. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if your case is time-sensitive. As for results, while my case is still ongoing, the roadmap they provided was detailed, and their legal approach made me feel confident in the process. However, I wish the website had a clearer client portal or dashboard to track progress. It all goes through email. Green and Spiegel is best suited for individuals or businesses looking for legally robust immigration assistance and who are willing to engage in a more formal and traditional process. If you prefer a quick, tech-driven platform with real-time updates and app-based communication, this might not be your ideal fit. But if depth of expertise and thoroughness are your priority, this firm delivers. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest insights and walkthroughs like this.